Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Home with Christy T. Today I'm going to show you how I transform my renter-friendly bathroom. Enjoy! Okay, so this is the before of this bathroom. The blue towels is what's killing me. Those right there, those, I can't take it anymore. So this bathroom just kind of fell apart from the minute it started because I don't like the color that's in here. So at first I was going to do black just to see how that would look, but we were with dark cabinets. So I didn't think black would look good in here. Like, I'm going to have black accents when I'm done, which you'll see later in this video hopefully. But to go with these nice dark cabinets, we're doing olive green papers. I'm gonna remove this and go from there. And I kind of want to do it like just around this area. I don't know what I'm gonna do in the shower yet. I'm gonna take the green in there all the way, or if I'm going to cover those with like black contact paper maybe. Not sure. And then my bathtub tray, I just used it recently, and yeah, I need to clean my tub. I need to do everything in this bathroom from A to Z. It all needs to be done. Some things are sitting in here because I was waiting for things to arrive to do the bathroom makeover, but it's just dirty. It's dirty. It's not organized. There's stuff on the floor. I've just kind of neglected this room for several weeks, just waiting for everything to arrive so I can come in here, do a deep clean, organize, and make it over completely. So yeah, first things first, I'm gonna clean this bathroom, you know, get it nice and clean first so that I can then apply my pillow stick wallpaper. Should I record this for you guys? It might be a little big montage of me doing a little getting rid of the old, getting ready for the new. Okay? Cue montage. So I just wanted to hop in here and say, one, I wish obviously I could clean this fast. You know, obviously this is sped up. But two, what you see me doing here is I'm removing the shower liner, and I don't know if you guys know this, but you can wash those. You can take them down, put them in washer, wash them, and they're like pretty much like brand new. I learned that from a friend back in the States, and ever since I've been doing it. So I just encourage you guys to do that as well. Save you a little bit of money, and so you're not just constantly throwing out plastic as well. I finished cleaning the tub. I vacuumed the floors a little bit in here too, but I'm gonna clean them a little bit more because I ordered some floor towels to go in here as well, because these floors, they feel nice on your feet because they're like a grainy, gravelly kind of feel on your feet, so it's nice when you're walking on or whatever. But they hold stains, they hold hair, they hold dust, they hold lint, they hold it all. Just awful. Like, I can't really use a Swiffer in here because the hair from the mop of the Swiffer gets stuck in the floor, so it just defeats the purpose of trying to clean it. So I'm probably gonna have to get down with the brush once my floor tiles come in. The last thing I need to do is wipe down the walls with like some alcohol, which is what's recommended before you put on any pillow and stick situation, because you want it to have the best adhesion. I need to take down this small little command hook, And I want to see if I can possibly put a shelf in here. I know I have this big, nice, lovely cabinet, but there's all this wasted space that I feel like there could be some shelves here or on this wall somewhere. I just feel like it could be better placement. And then like the towel holders are here and behind the door, and I just feel like something should be here for a towel or just in a closer proximity so that when guests are here, you know, they just come to wash their hands. They don't have to go all the way behind the door just to get a towel to dry their hands. Just more functional. And so yeah. And by the way, if I somehow change clothes, my nails are different, my hair is different, just know that this might have gotten filmed over a course of a few days, a few weeks, a few months. Just I'm working on several projects at the moment, so it happens when it happens. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cue peel and stick wallpaper. Today my peel and stick wallpaper arrived. I'm gonna be using in the bathroom. And yes, it's peel and stick. I know what you're thinking. Water, peel and stick, really, Christy? But no, I'm hoping it turns out really well. You can't really see the true color on camera. But I'm excited. I ordered 2 rolls of this, so hopefully it's enough to get what I'm going for. But if not, we'll wait another 2 weeks for more to come in. That's just how things go. Application of this peel and stick wallpaper was super easy. You know, guys, there's some peel and stick paper out there that's kind of difficult to work with and it tears really easy. Guys, this did not do that. It went on smooth. I didn't have any issues with like extra crinkling or ripping. If I pulled it off, I was able to pull it off in some areas and, you know, reapply. When I got to sections where it was like a difficult corner or there was like an obstruction in a way, I would go into my kitchen or my dining room and I'd like roll it out, cut it according to the lines on the back after I've measured, and then I just come back in and apply that. I don't really think I showed you guys that in the video, but just to let you know. And what I'm using here to apply this is like a squeegee 3M type situation. I'll make sure to link everything that I can down below so that you can purchase it for your DIY bathroom makeover. And one more thing before I go and let you enjoy this montage is that you'll notice right in this clip, there's a curve in the tiles once they hit the corner of the floor. So that was definitely difficult to work around, especially when it comes to putting down the floor tiles and just making sure that the lines lined up easily. And so I think I'm just going to end up putting caulk down there just to make sure everything's nice and seamless so that when it does come time to move out, there's no mold or mildew under the floor. Okay, bye. Okay, so that is one side done. I think it's looking really good so far. Once again, it does show the imprint of the tile, but once again, I live in an apartment, so everything I do has to be renter friendly. If this is going to bother you, if the print is going to bother you that is showing through a little bit, I would suggest either getting a thicker contact paper or, you know, probably not doing it at all, just because. But honestly, I just couldn't take those tiles anymore, as mentioned before. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these walls and see where we go. By the way, I'm still on row 1. This is row 1 after I've finished this part. And that's a lot of paper, so I may be able to finish the whole bathroom with this. Once again, like, this is a lot of paper. I want to say this roll was like $20. So if I'm able to do my whole bathroom in it, that would be wonderful. I'll just have one extra roll for some other project at some point. But yeah, I'll leave it linked below. So to cover up all of the little blue triangles that were in my shower, I took the black contact paper that I had originally applied that I was going to do the bathroom color in, and I didn't throw it away. I'm using it to cut out diamond shapes to cover those lovely blue towels. You know, obviously I can't fully get rid of them, but it's a nice temporary fix and they look nice with the green. And then once I put the curtain back up, it's gonna look nice. So yeah, I'm gonna show you possibly how I do that. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below what you would have done differently. What was your favorite part? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.